everyone, it is Silver Scripter here. Today we are going to be looking at this. Now what this is a package that I got from a store called the Coin Supply Store. We are going to open this up and see what is inside. Let's see. First, this is like everything almost. Put that down. All right, number one. Ooh, we have our tube, our coin holder, not tube. Yeah, our coin holder. And this is for coins. This one specifically is for 1 ounce silver coins. Number two, let's see. We have, I wonder what this one is. Oh, these ones look like the tubes. We have a large quarter tube and a very big dollar tube. This is another tube for silver dollars. This one was a coin holder. So we got a tube, a holder, another tube. All right. Ooh, I like this one. This one is our United States 2021 Blue Book. Get this out. And as you can see, this is in very good condition. This is new. It tells you all the values and different things about coins. Very nice. We have this Nicarag right here. We'll open this at the end of the video because it looks like it is sealed. And we also have, we have half dollars. I remember getting these. These are half dollar books. We have Benjamin Franklin, Walking Liberty, another Walking Liberty, but these are for different years, and a Kennedy half dollars. Those are our books. Let's see what else we have in here. I think this is our last item. It's all wrapped up. That's a lot of wrapping paper. Ooh, we have our gloves, our white cotton gloves, 2 pairs of them. And finally, we have our, what is this? Oh, this is very nice. We have our Nicka Spray coin cleaner kit. Very, very nice. Now we will open this Nicarag. I will cut back to you when it's opened. I have opened up our Nicarag. This is a very, very soft rag for it's not really for rubbing coins because they're not supposed to do that, but just for like tapping them. This is very, very soft. Wow, that's super soft. That's awesome. This is for our Nicka Spray. So say we did something to it and then we could just quickly kind of dab it with our Nicarag. That will be it for our video today. I hope you all enjoyed. Have a nice day and goodbye.